Welcome to another video of Tkinter tutorial series. In this video I will let you know how to change the default size of our window while we run the program. So if I run this program, you can see I have created a window and it has a default size. So let's change the default size of this window. In order to do that, we can use this method, which is geometry. In geometry we can pass the width and height of our window that you want right now. So at first you have to mention the width of the window. For example, I am taking 600 and the height should be, for example, 400. So if I run it now, you can see that the window size has been changed. That's what today. In the next video I will let you know how to play around with the sizes in every manner. So stay tuned, and if you wish to learn more about Tkinter, then you can do this. Go to our channel, and in the playlist I have just started this playlist, and I will put all the videos that is related to Tkinter here, so that you can build good GUI application using Tkinter. That's what today. Have a great day.